Asia ki khwaidi ki liraba football tournament ama oiriba Durand Cup Trophy ngasi Manipurda thunglaki baga loinana state asigi tongan ba mafam singda puduna tournament asigi paujal miyam da bikhrei leiba asigi yamna lemjaningai oiba football tournament asigi trophy ahum adu Imphal da thunglaki baga loinana ngasi tongan ba mafam singda road show sing pangthokhi trophy adu ngasi ayuk pung 10 makhai taba matamda Sandra dagi Thangjing Thumpers ke biker sing amadi Indian Army ki convoy amana guard tawduna Bishnupur district ke Range Forest Office ta purakhi mafam aduda minute tara rom leiramlaga kainouda leiba Class FC da amuk puraklaba matung Pwakaital Kaitel Manipur University Kangla amadi Lamlong Kaitel da puraklaga mafam sing asida ngaihak palamlaga Palace Compound Labor City Convention Center Purakhi mafam asida Governor Ajay Kumar Bala amadi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana lemjaningai oiraba trophy ahum adu taramna oktuna state ki thakta Durand Cup ki chama 13 suba edition ki trophy Sokas ki thoram pangthokhi thoram aduda HQ Eastern Command ki Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Gambhir Singh 57 Mountain Division के General Officer Commanding Major General Savankar Basu, Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel, IGR South Major General Gaurav Sharma, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh amadi DGP Mukesh Singh yauna lenga ki makok thongba official Singh, Indian Army ki makok thongba official amadi lamdam asigi maming leiraba footballer amadi football ke club ke Mihut Singh na sarugya ki Indian Army na sindna pangthokiba football tournament asiga mari leina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana hai State asida Durand Cup amuk hanna halakpa haibase sana khonabagi khak natana state asida anongba inot amadi asa ama pibane football masana ase state asige miyamgi DNA da yawraklaba amane sports na malyam ase honghanba ngambada natana miyam punshin hanbasu ngamlibane Indian Army na asigumba yamna lemjningai oiraba football tournament ama senduna pangthokliba asina sport ki khuthangda chakhatpa khunai ama sengwatpa amadi tangdu leitaba puraknabagi wakhalon adu mayik sengna takli haina mahakna makha takhi.
Their journeys are modern day folklore of Manipur, stories written with humble beginnings, forged in hard work, and crowned in glory. They are living proof to our youth that no field is too small and no dream is too big. The armed forces have once again risen to the occasion for the conduct of this prestigious football tournament. This reflects the Indian Army's commitment to peace, normalcy, and nation building through the unifying spirit of sport. I must extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Indian Army, especially the Eastern Command, under the visionary leadership of Lieutenant General V.M. Bhuvanakrishnan, the Army Commander, for ensuring that Imphal stands proud as a host venue once again. By bringing this grand stage back to our people, Eastern Command has reaffirmed its deep faith in the youth and the enduring spirit of Manipur.
Thauramadu mari lenana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai lamdam asidadi football haiba ase masana amakak natte masidi kanglu furup sing amata oina punsinabagi lon ama oiruba aikhoigi cultural fabric ta yauriba amani Imphal da Durand Cup ke match sing host oina pangthokpa ase aikoi pumnamaki chauthok chaningai amani tournament asina lamdam asigi haurakliba footballer sing da makoi gi haising basing adu uthoknanabagi achauba tanja ama piri haina mahakna makhataki.
The government of Manipur stands with the armed forces to ensure this tournament is executed flawlessly. This year, Durand Cup is expanding its footprint across eastern India, welcoming Ranchi as a new host alongside Calcutta, Guwahati, Shillong, and Imphal. Hosting the Durand Cup matches in the Kuman Park Stadium, Imphal, is an incredible milestone for our local economy and sports infrastructure. It gives our local players a rare opportunity to showcase their talent directly to scout and club on the national stage. Our players and organizing team, I ask you to full commitment and hospitality of the people of Manipur. May this 155 Durand Cup be a storied success. Jai Hind.
ꯄꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯪ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯃꯔꯤꯐꯨ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯔꯅꯥꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯆ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝꯗ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯒꯁꯠ ꯇꯔꯥꯅꯤꯊꯣꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ꯫ ꯇꯣꯔꯅꯥꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯎ FC, ꯅꯦꯔꯣꯀꯥ FC ꯑꯃꯗꯤ FC ꯔꯦꯡꯗꯥꯏꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯗꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯅꯦꯚꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯇꯤꯝꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯆꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯅꯤꯄꯥꯜꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯎ FCꯒ, ꯅꯦꯔꯣꯀꯥ FCꯒ, ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯥꯗ FC ꯔꯦꯡꯗꯥꯏ FCꯒ, इंडियन नेवी FTगा लंबा थेंगनगनी लोइनना लाक्लिबा ऑगस्ट 3दा ट्राउ FC अमदि FC रेंगदाइगा ऑगस्ट 5दा नेरोका FCगा इंडियन नेवी FTगा ऑगस्ट 9दा ट्राउ FCगा इंडियन नेवी FTगा अमदि ऑगस्ट 12दा नेरोका FCगा FC रेंगदाइगा लंबा थेंगनगनी।
The police, the security forces, and our title sponsors, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, and are powered by sponsors, the State Bank of India and Coal India Limited. Besides, Sony Sports Network for broadcasting all 43 matches which will be conducted at the 5 cities, and these matches will all be live to 6 different neighboring countries. And of course, last but not the least, to Cherry Tree for their continued participation in providing the event management and publicity support.